thought this was a great idea for a video. What does Shiba Inu need to do from a price standpoint to trigger a breakout, to trigger a move up? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And so in that context, there's some content in this piece of in this article that talks about the fact that it needs to pull back to a 965 to find support. In such a scenario, the RSI index will have cooled down after rising too sharply too quickly. Expect 1209 and the 55-day moving average to be broken at the next attempt, opening up a vast area where SHIB price can rally onwards to 1708 and make a whopping 55% profit in that move. Now, so what this basically says is, look for it to break down to that 965 range, which we did touch into the nines today, okay? And in that scenario, the RSI will have cooled down a little bit. Expect then to look for the next resistance level being this right here, the 1209, to bounce back from that 9 back up to 1209, and then the 55-day moving average to be broken at the next attempt. So these are the three things that have to happen. Touch the nines, which we did, okay? Get some type of a rally, broad market rally, to help us move back into that 1209 range. Could be tomorrow, could be next week, okay? And then after that, the 55-day moving average to be broken at the next attempt. So it's got to keep basically moving up a little bit. And then if it does those three things, we could rally upwards to 1708, which could be a 55% profit move possibly. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's some interesting points for you to consider. Okay, so now kind of if you're looking at kind of broader market scenarios, you're like, right, what do we have to have happen in the overall broader market, right? Well, we've got this fear and greed index still at a 13, right? And it's continuing to roll here. It's funny, it's showing pictures of trucks. I'm not looking for a truck. It's showing me some random images here. I always love to see what images pop up. Anyway, it's showing us an extreme fear of, again, a 13. Now, this, though, to me are really three really good points to focus on right here, okay? Is that's how we can look to be moving back. Touching the nines, we have done that. Then we need to get to a 1209, which we're in the kind of the 10 range now. So 10, then continue to move up from there, and then we stay there for a little bit and move past the 55-day SMA on the way to 1708, which would equal a 55% move up. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. But at the end of the day, here's what really has to happen. We have to get an overall broad market rally correction. We have to get Bitcoin and Ethereum to continue to move back up, because right here, right now, there's not a specific catalyst for Shiba Inu itself per se. There's nothing going on with SHIB right now from a catalyst itself. It's moving in line with the overall broad market. Now, it has gone against the grain. Last week, it went up 40+%. And the overall market Ethereum went up like 10% and Bitcoin went up like 5% in that same time period. Okay, so SHIB has the power to move if we get a lot of retail investment dollars coming back into it. And I'll keep you updated on that. So thank you for giving me a few minutes of your day. But this is what has to happen for SHIB to break out. All right, see ya. Bye.